What food from ancient Rome can you prepare today, right in your kitchen? I'm diving into lightning-fast facts, real archaeology, and a recipe you can make in minutes. Ready? Let's go. Romans ate grains, legumes, veggies, fruit, fish, and meats. Super balanced, super ancient. But the secret weapon? Garum. This is a fermented fish sauce used in more than 80% of savory Roman recipes. I'm not making this up. Check Apicius 1st century AD and Granger's Deep Dive 2013. Amphorae full of garum have been found in Pompeii, Herculaneum, and as far as Spain. Pina 2021. Now meet Silphium, the most legendary Roman spice extinct for 2,000 years. But Lapreuve.com has recreated its flavor. So what can you actually make? 3 easy choices. Moretum, herb cheese spread. Gustum de Praecocis, apricot starter. And the real Roman MVP, Pulse, the staple porridge eaten by 90% of Romans daily. Wilkins and Hill, 2006. Pulse is as Roman as the Colosseum. Let's make it with a twist. Silphium Garum X from Lapreuve.com. Here's what you need. 100 grams of barley or emmer wheat, Cato di Agricoltura, archaeological staple, 500 milliliters water, pinch of salt, Flor de Sal from Lapreuve if you want to go full Roman, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of Silphium Garum X, the only modern sauce recreating lost Silphium flavor. Optional chopped herbs like parsley or coriander, cheese, or a dash of honey for sweetness. How do you prep it? Boil your grains in water for 20-30 minutes, stirring so it doesn't stick. Add salt, your olive oil, and the Silphium Garum X for a serious umami punch. This is how Romans did flavor. Top with herbs or cheese. Want more energy? Romans ate pinole like gruels too. Lapreuve's pinole packs are perfect. Why Silphium Garum X? It's the only modern product based on ancient texts. Pliny, Apicius, the works. Academic interest in these ancient condiments is exploding. See Reconstructing Roman Flavors, J. Archeol, SAR 2024. 5-star reviews, international shipping, trusted by food historians. Nutritional benefits. Pulse is high fiber, low fat, and gives you steady energy. Think ancient superfood like pinole for ultra trail runners. Silphium Garum X adds minerals, umami, and that lost Roman taste. Want more fiber? Add nopal powder from Lapreuve. Top ratings, supports a healthy diet. Check this out. Plain porridge versus golden glistening pulse finished with Silphium Garum X. Remember, 80% of Roman recipes used garum. Silphium, the lost spice, now reborn. Ready to try ancient Roman food? Prepare pulse with Silphium Garum X from Lapreuve.com. Taste history in 3 minutes flat. Lapreuve recipes Nanya 2 by Lapreuve.com - source of nopal, Silphium Garum and pinole.